Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to recover video files from a Hikvision DS-7608ni Network Video Recorder, or NVR, within a macOS environment, addressing practical situations that users often encounter. We will cover typical data loss scenarios, accidental deletion of individual files or entire folders, hard drive formatting, and corruption of the HikvisionFS file system. We will also specifically focus on situations involving hardware failures, such as drive failure or malfunctions of the recorder itself. You will learn how to properly connect the drive to a Mac, how to access data partitions, and what steps to take for safe video recovery without the risk of overwriting information. This material will be useful for IT specialists and users working with Hikvision-based surveillance systems, managing network settings, archive storage on the DS-7608ni, recording management, remote access, and disk resource allocation. The Hikvision DS-7608ni Network Video Recorder is designed for building high-quality surveillance systems based on IP cameras. This model supports up to 8 cameras with resolutions of up to 6 megapixels, providing high image detail and clear archive playback. This NVR supports standard network protocols and allows remote access via a local network or the Internet. In addition to the Ethernet port, the model is equipped with HDMI and VGA video outputs for monitor connection, audio input-output, and USB ports for a mouse, external storage, or archive backup. Inside, there is one SATA interface for a hard drive where video data is stored. Hikvision DS-7608ni supports proprietary monitoring and management software, allowing users to view the archive, export recordings, and administer the system from a computer. When working with macOS, the connection is made via a web interface or client software. However, if the recorder fails, the hard drive can be connected directly to a Mac to analyze the partition structure and recover video files using specialized software. In this part of the video, we will look at cases where video files on the disk were accidentally deleted via the viewer or the device's web interface, or when the recorder has failed, making direct network access to the archive impossible. These situations can occur due to sudden power outages, voltage surges, or improper shutdowns, which lead to damage to the partition structure or the video archive's index table. In such cases, first turn off the recorder and carefully remove the hard drive. On this Hikvision model, you will need to remove the top cover of the chassis. Once the drive is removed, use an external SATA adapter or a docking station to connect it to your Mac safely. After connection, macOS will automatically recognize the disk as a physical drive. Do not initialize it if macOS prompts you to do so. Hikvision uses its own proprietary file system. For safe recovery, we recommend using Hetman Partition Recovery, which recognizes the HikvisionFS file system and allows for the correct recovery of deleted or corrupted video files. The program scans the disk and saves the found files to a safe location. This works for both accidental deletion and hardware failures, as all data is stored on the physical disk regardless of the recorder's status. Also, ensure you have enough space on a separate drive to save the recovered data. After launching the program, your drive will automatically appear on the main screen, indicating the HikvisionFS file system, total capacity, and available partitions. To start the recovery, select the entire disk or a specific partition with the left mouse button and start the scan by double-clicking or selecting Open from the context menu. If you need to recover deleted files or folders, we recommend using the Fast Scan mode. In this mode, the program scans the file system at the metadata and directory level, identifies elements deleted by the user, and evaluates their integrity. Once the scan is complete, a list of objects available for recovery will appear in the results window. Select the required folders and files and click the Recovery button located in the upper left part of the main menu. In the dialog box that opens, specify the location to save the recovered data. Click Next, then Recovery. After the saving process is complete, click Finish. Your data is now completely recovered and ready to use. In video surveillance systems, cyclic recording is performed automatically. As soon as the storage is full, the recorder begins overwriting older video files with new ones. Old recordings may be partially or completely lost. Additionally, a failed firmware upgrade or internal software glitch can make the archive inaccessible even if the disk remains physically healthy. In such cases, we recommend using the full scan mode. In this mode, the program performs a bit-by-bit analysis of the entire disk surface, bypassing the damaged or inaccessible file system. It reconstructs the data structure at a low level and ensures the maximum possible recovery of information, even from heavily damaged or partially overwritten partitions. In the File Recovery Wizard window, select Full Scan and choose HikvisionFS from the list. Click Next to start the scan. Please note that in full scan mode, the analysis process may take a significant amount of time depending on the capacity of the drive. The main screen will display information about the data previously contained on your disk that can be recovered. If necessary, use the Preview function to view file content in the right window. Select the directories and files you need to recover. In the next dialog box, specify the path to save the recovered data and confirm the action by clicking Recovery. Once the operation is complete, the program will notify you of the successful data recovery from your storage device. In this video, we demonstrated a proven algorithm for recovering data from a Hikvision DS-7608 NI drive. If this material was helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new technical reviews and instructions. If you have any questions or need further clarification regarding the DS-7608 NI model, please leave them in the comments. We will provide detailed advice on specific settings and help you perform data recovery as quickly, safely, and correctly as possible. Thank you for watching, and we hope your data always remains securely protected.